She did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about her was always impossible to overlook. With a striking blend of composure, intensity, and unmistakable stage authority, Jennie Kim didn't simply debut in the competitive world of K-pop. She engineered a persona that balanced elegance and edge, transforming ambition and discipline into one of the most recognizable identities in global pop culture. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on January 16, 1996, in South Korea and raised for several years in New Zealand, Jennie's journey began far from the flashing cameras of Seoul's entertainment industry. Her early years abroad shaped her independence and global outlook. Exposure to different cultures strengthened her language skills and confidence long before she stepped into professional training. As a teenager, she joined YG Entertainment as a trainee, entering one of the most rigorous development systems in K-pop. The years that followed demanded discipline and endurance. She refined her rap tone, strengthened her vocal control, mastered choreography, and developed the composure required for large-scale stages. Her training period quietly built the duality that would later define her public image. In 2016, she officially debuted as a member of BLACKPINK. The group's explosive introduction quickly positioned them as a global force, and Jennie's confident rap delivery became a defining element of their sound. Her presence combined precision with controlled intensity, creating a contrast that audiences immediately recognized. Her performance style, sharp yet fluid, commanding yet refined, stood out in both high-energy tracks and more melodic moments. As BLACKPINK expanded internationally, performing at major festivals and dominating global charts, Jennie emerged as a central figure in the wave that propelled K-pop into mainstream Western markets. Her solo chapter marked another milestone. In 2018, she released the single Solo, which achieved major commercial success and reinforced her individual star power. The project highlighted independence and self-assurance, presenting a minimalist yet impactful concept that strengthened her brand identity. Rather than relying solely on group momentum, she demonstrated the ability to hold the spotlight alone. By 2026, Jennie is regarded as a versatile global performer and cultural influencer. Industry insiders acknowledge her brand awareness and consistency. Audiences connect with her poised authenticity, and luxury fashion houses recognize her as a powerful ambassador. Her career reflects strategic positioning, balancing group dominance with personal expansion. Off-stage, her lifestyle combines structure with selective visibility. She maintains a disciplined routine that supports performance readiness while carefully managing public exposure. Creative exploration, music development, and brand collaborations remain central to her focus. Her fashion presence mirrors her artistic duality. Closely associated with Chanel, she frequently appears at Paris Fashion Week and major luxury campaigns. Her style blends timeless silhouettes with contemporary boldness, allowing her to move seamlessly between concert arenas and couture front rows. While public interest often surrounds her personal relationships, she remains measured about what she reveals. She consistently redirects attention toward her work and creative projects. Within the industry, she is described as composed, detail-oriented, and deeply aware of her public narrative. As of 2026, her estimated net worth reflects earnings from global tours, solo releases, endorsements, and long-term luxury partnerships. Beyond financial success, she has secured lasting credibility and global cultural influence. What many find compelling is her balance of strength and restraint. She navigates intense scrutiny with controlled confidence, channeling pressure into performance. This calculated composure quietly defines her longevity. Jennie's journey is defined by precision rather than impulse. From a trainee navigating expectations to an international icon shaping music and fashion, her rise reflects resilience, clarity of vision, and disciplined growth. As she continues forward in 2026, she stands as a symbol of modern global stardom, refined, strategic, and built to endure. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. He did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a calm demeanor, remarkable vocal stability, and a sincerity that resonates far beyond the stage, Seungmin didn't simply debut as another idol in the competitive world of K-pop. He cultivated his own identity, transforming dedication, discipline, and passion for music into one of the most respected vocal careers of his generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on September 22, 2000 in Seoul, South Korea, Kim Seungmin grew up in an environment that encouraged learning, self-improvement, and personal discipline. Long before international tours and chart-topping albums, he was a student with a strong interest in music, sports, and performance. His natural curiosity and determination would eventually guide him toward a career that would place him on some of the world's biggest stages. His journey into entertainment began when he successfully auditioned for JYP Entertainment. Entering the trainee system introduced him to years of rigorous vocal practice, dance training, and performance development. Rather than relying on natural talent alone, Seungmin became known for his relentless work ethic and commitment to continuous improvement. In 2017, he participated in the survival program Stray Kids, where audiences witnessed his growth and dedication firsthand. The experience tested his resilience and strengthened his confidence as a performer. In 2018, he officially debuted as the main vocalist of Stray Kids alongside Bang Chan, Lino, Changbin, Hyunjin, Han, Felix, and Ian. As Stray Kids rapidly expanded their global presence, Seungmin's vocals became an essential part of the group's identity. His voice combines clarity, emotional control, and consistency, allowing him to navigate both powerful anthems and emotional ballads with equal effectiveness. Whether delivering soaring choruses or intimate acoustic moments, he consistently demonstrates maturity beyond his years. Over time, Seungmin established himself as one of the most reliable vocalists among fourth-generation K-pop artists. His performances showcase precision, confidence, and emotional awareness, qualities that have earned praise from fans and industry professionals alike. Through countless live performances and international tours, he has continued refining his craft while maintaining remarkable vocal stability. By 2026, Seungmin is regarded as a versatile global performer. While he remains a key member of Stray Kids, he has also gained recognition through individual projects, special covers, and vocal performances that highlight his unique artistry. His career reflects steady growth built on consistency rather than shortcuts. Offstage, his lifestyle reflects balance, discipline, and professionalism. He is known for maintaining routines that support physical health, vocal conditioning, and personal development. Despite his demanding schedule, he often emphasizes the importance of preparation, practice, and self-improvement. His public image combines sophistication with approachability. Unlike performers who rely heavily on extravagant personas, Seungmin's appeal stems from authenticity and quiet confidence. His polished fashion choices, composed demeanor, and thoughtful communication style have contributed to a reputation that resonates with audiences across different cultures. While public interest frequently extends to his personal life, Seungmin remains relatively private. He consistently places focus on music, performance, and artistic growth. Fellow artists and industry professionals often describe him as dependable, hardworking, and exceptionally dedicated to his responsibilities. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects earnings from album sales, global tours, endorsements, merchandise, streaming platforms, and various entertainment activities. Beyond financial achievements, he has established long-term credibility as both a vocalist and performer within the global music industry. What many people find compelling is his consistency. In an entertainment landscape driven by trends and rapid change, Seungmin has built his reputation through reliability, steady improvement, and genuine passion for music. His ability to remain grounded while continuing to evolve artistically has become one of his defining strengths. Seungmin's journey is marked by perseverance rather than shortcuts. From a determined student in Seoul to one of K-pop's most respected vocalists, his rise reflects discipline, patience, and unwavering commitment to excellence. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of modern artistry, focused, dependable, and built for longevity. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.